Here are some tips to handle difficult parents. Ask your administrator to sit with you. Stay calm and professional. A composed demeanor helps de-escalate and sets a positive tone. Next, listen actively. Let them express their concerns fully. Do not interrupt them. Show you're engaged with eye contact, nodding and summarizing their points. Empathize. Acknowledge their emotions. Saying, "I understand how that could be upsetting," builds rapport. Be prepared. Have all relevant information and documentation at hand. Guide the conversation towards resolving the issue. Ask, "How can we work together to resolve this?" Set boundaries if needed. If the conversation becomes hostile, remind them you're there to work together respectfully. Suggest rescheduling if necessary. Document everything. Keep records of conversations, agreements, and actions taken. This helps in case of future disputes. Stay solution-oriented and positive. Remember, both of you want what's best for the student. You've got this. Subscribe for more teacher tips.